Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of inserting images as inputs to Chatgpt chatbot. If you ever wondered how to add some visual flair to your text, this tutorial is for you. So stay tuned and let's get started. Step 2. To insert an image, you will need to use a special command. Type image followed by a space in the chat box. Step 2. To insert an image, you will need to use a special command. Type /symbol followed by space followed by image followed by a space in the chat box once again. Step 3. After the space, type the URL of the image you want to insert. Make sure the URL starts with HTTP or HTTPS. For example, /image and Ctrl V to pass your URL image. Step 4. Once you've typed a command and press enter, the image should appear in the chat box and you can send it just like any other messages. Step 5. To view the image in full size, simply click on it and it will open in a new tab in your browser. And that's it. You have successfully inserted an image in Chatgpt. You also can add as many images as you wish to add. So make sure to play around and try with this feature. Different images as inputs. You can even add multiple images at the same time. For example, a strawberry, cucumbers, and a peach. You can go to each image, you copy the image's address, and you pass it back to the chat bar after the /space image word. And that's how you do it for each image to be displayed. It's a simple but a powerful feature that can add a lot of visual interest to your conversations. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I hope you found it helpful. See you soon.